Action.
Well, here we are. This is my second lease vehicle since I worked for Chrysler. There's the first one, the old van. But this here is a 2026 Durango GT V8 with the tow and go package. So it's got the big SRT wheels and Brembo brakes. It's got 5.7 Hemi. It's got the cool hood, black top package, so it's all black on the inside. Wish me luck because I didn't tell Lindsay we were gonna go get this. What do you think, buddy?
I think it's pretty sick.
Are we in the doghouse?
Yes.
Hey, why don't you go around back? I'll start her up. What do you think?
I think it's something.
All right, get in. Let's go.
Mom's gonna be so pissed.
Got 11 miles on it, bro.
How do you turn this stuff on?
I don't know how anything works. Oh, there we go. Ooh, Alpine. Ooh. Oh, those are cooled seats. Nope, we don't want that. We want heated seats.
And heated steering wheel.
And heated steering wheel.
Dude, this is sick.
Mom's gonna be so mad at us, dude.
We are definitely in the doghouse.
Yeah.
It's got the thing that your Chrysler has.
Yep, it's got the thing. It's got, wait. Taco holder.
Taco holder, you're gonna need that.
Yep. Oh, bro. All right, how do we shift this thing into gear? How do you shift it in gear?
I think you press the brake and you have to pull down.
Drive.
That's pretty cool.
Oh. Ooh. All right, you ready? You gotta say goodbye to the old van.
Yep.
We gotta roll back a little bit. Oh God, what is that?
Music. There she goes.
There she goes.
I mean, this thing is really sick. It's got all... It's really sick. Snow. It's got snow mode.
Yeah, dude. It's got every mode.
Track.
Track mode. Brother! Brother! Hey, bro. We're Hemi brothers now. Listen to that baby.
Oh my God. It's gonna be so bad. We are both in the doghouse.
We are in the doghouse. All right, listen. Oh my God, dude, Mom's gonna be so mad.
Max G's over here.
Did you hear that hog? Oh man, we're screwed. Hey, tell the folks at home how many times we've been in a Durango.
None. This is our first time.
This is the first time. I just ordered it.
I hit the button actually.
My goodness. What is that? Traction off, tow, snow, screen off.
There it is. P off.
Eco off, yes. Definitely turn eco off. Thank you. All right, well, here's a moment of truth. We're getting close to the house, and I got to break it to Lindsay, Mom, that we ordered her this lease vehicle, and it is not what she wanted or requested. So, but
It's pretty cool.
Hear me out.
Pretty cool.
Beggars can't be choosers, and actually, this is more cost effective than what she wanted, so.
God dang, Dad. Where are you going so fast?
We're only 125. Chill, bro.
Well, you're the one always yelling at me.
I know,
Too fast.
So here we go. Here goes nothing.
Hit the button. Should we go inside and just pull her out?
Yep. Come on out here.
What did you do? Oh my word.
Surprise.
Did you guys go get a new vehicle?
What are your first impressions?
Hey, Jason.
Here, hold on. Stand right there.
Stand right there.
Dad got a new vehicle.
This replaced the van. This is your
Hemi V8.
welcome. Oh my God. You're a Hemi sister now, and we're all Hemi brothers.
You wanna come see the inside?
Sure.
Welcome to the vehicle. Now, listen, hear me out. It was cheaper than a Grand Cherokee, if you can believe that.
Okay.
And
And it's packed with more features than a Grand Cherokee.
Well,
you know, Mom likes features.
Yeah. It has all the performance pages that an SRT Durango would have. It has high performance Brembo brakes and wide SRT wheels. Can't get that on a Grand Cherokee. It's got all-wheel drive.
okay.
It's got track mode. It's got
So
0 to
far, I
60.
like the all-wheel drive. I know, Mom, take it for a drive.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Drive.
Hop in.
The only thing I did was pick the color.
I had
Hop
to
in.
talk Dad into not getting the racing stripes.
Good call.
Okay, not bad leg room.
Oh, there's plenty of room
Smells
back
like
here.
dude.
Yeah, I know.
Are you buckled in?
Cool.
Ben.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Mom's gonna burn rubber.
Yeah. Right in the neighborhood. We're going through
Is
the
that the
snow.
cops? Is that the cops in it? Nope.
That's Colin's engineering. Look, straight away.
Hear that muffler, Mom.
Performance, Mopar Performance exhaust. It
here.
came with the package.
And it's got
Weird.
for sport suspension for some reason.
Yeah, that's also really weird.
Sport seats,
See all
red
that.
stitching.
So weird.
Weird.
How that came.
Look at that.
Watch out for the hut.
You ordered it that way.
Isn't that like
No, well,
so
here's
stiff?
it's part of the American comeback. So 26 model year Durangos, you couldn't get a V6 because they wanted a V8 everything.
Metal Christ.
Yeah, give her a little blip.
I don't drive like that.
Oh, well,
like that drive. Gentle.
you can drive whatever way you'd like.
Exactly. Drive like you're in Rockford.
So yeah, this is what we were sneaking out to do.
Yeah.
Oh my word.
Isn't it a new member?
Let me
of the
drive
Mondia
and show
family?
you how it's done, Mom. Yeah.
And it's just like your, it doesn't drive any different than the van, really. It's got a little more pep.
Transmission doesn't
high.
suck.
It's a little higher than, yeah.
Transmission doesn't suck.
No. Right. What do you think?
It's pretty awesome.
All right.
Cut.
Cut.